How to fix unable to send invitation in Meta Business Suite. So first, you're gonna have to check if you have the right permission. Make sure you are admin or have permission to manage people in the business portfolio. And Meta does say invites are sent from the Meta Business Suite. You go ahead into settings, go ahead into people, and invite people. So if you do not see this properly, your access may be limited or different. So use the correct invite method. Of course, you go ahead to this section, settings, people, and then invite people, put in their email, give access, assign assets, and review. Of course, you can temporary, but that's a different thing. So if you only need page access, make sure you assign that specific page before sending as well. And if you want to, you can also try turning on two-factor authentication. Go ahead into, again, settings, scroll down into Security Center, scroll down again until you find two-factor authentication. So many business suite invite issues happen when the account needs extra security before it can add people. So make sure this is turned on. Finally, one last thing you could try is to check pending invites and requests. So over here, the person may already have a pending invitation or a request, so check it over here first. If there isn't, you can send a new one or remove an already pending invite. So there's a request system where people can request to be added to a business portfolio. But those are a few things you can try. You could also do it on a different browser, or you could just wait or resend. Hopefully any of these options can help you though. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.